March 5th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Let's start off early this morning during the 5 o'clock hour with a look at the Cataloochee ski area, Lodge camera. Yeah, still a lot of snow on the slopes. Temperature around Maggie Valley at 40 degrees. And there are still a lot of skiing options and riding options for you if you want to head up to the high country. Beech Mountain closed for the season, but still some options for you there. Appalachian, Cataloochee, and Sugar Mountain. There's our Greensboro Tower camera during the 5 a.m. hour. It is chilly. Temperature stands at 37 at the PTI Airport. A lot of spots down below freezing, though, in the traditionally colder locations across the region. We'll look at the Dowd YMCA camera. Clear, chilly. 40 at the airport, but again, a lot of spots a lot colder than that when you get away from the more urbanized areas. Now, highs yesterday. Nice Sunday. Cool. Plenty of sun, though. Felt pretty good as we got into the afternoon, but still a touch on the cool side. There's your Triad area highs, mid to upper 50s to some low 60s. Around the Charlotte region, it was a lot of low to mid 60s in the Piedmont, and, of course, cooler in the mountain zones. There's your temperatures, 5 a.m. hour this morning. Chilly, even down to 32 in Columbia this morning, 36 in Wilmington, 25 up in Boone. Quiet on the radar this morning locally, but you go west of us. There's some rain moving from Mississippi into Alabama, up into western Tennessee, Kentucky, Illinois, and then eventually kicking over to some snow in northern Illinois and eastern Iowa, and some points north and west from there. So that is our next storm system, slowly moving in our direction. The frontal boundary still back in the plains, most of this precipitation well out ahead of it. And so here's Futurecast. We're quiet and rain-free today, but a wet Tuesday, at least somewhat. More on that in just a second. Look at the warm air ahead of that cold front. It's 70 degrees in Dallas, 71 in Houston, but we still have this residual cool air in place here in the Carolinas, and that's going to be in place again for today as well. So a lot of sunshine, but clouds working in from the west as we get deeper into the day, and then certainly thickening and lowering clouds overnight as that next system pulls on in. There's our highs this afternoon. Relatively comparable to what we had on Sunday, maybe a little cooler in some spots. Now we get on out to Tuesday, tomorrow. Clouds, some rain at times. And here's a peek at the Futurecast modeling through the day tomorrow. And I will note that in the northern foothills, especially the highest of elevations, could be a few areas of sleet pellets, or maybe a little brief period of some freezing rain early on Tuesday morning. That will not last long, and it won't be a big deal, I don't think. Most of us just looking at the chance for a few showers or some areas of showers from time to time. And temperatures definitely held down. Now, there's rain totals on Futurecast. I think the absolute upper limit over most of North Carolina, probably about a half inch. Many of us probably less than a third of an inch, though, when all is said and done. There's your highs tomorrow. Some of these numbers even may be optimistic, assuming the rain does indeed move in as we get into our Tuesday. Now, Wednesday, I think the clouds kind of stubborn. I can't totally rule out a shower, especially Wednesday morning in the western part of the state, and then Wednesday afternoon in the eastern part of the state. A few snow showers in the high country, breezy. And there's your Wednesday highs. And then on to the European model. Thursday and Friday, both quiet weather days, no issues there. A lot of uncertainty over the weekend, and I'll show you more of that in just a second. For the time being, I'm going to keep Saturday's forecast mainly dry and then bring in some good rain opportunities on Sunday, and we'll see about Monday thereafter. Let me show you some more detailed modeling. Let's look upstairs at 500 millibars. This is Wednesday morning, one piece of energy moving through. That's driving that Tuesday cold front through here. Then there we are Thursday, kind of a reinforcing push of some cooler air, but Thursday, Friday looking dry. Look at that, though. That's by Monday morning. Big upper-level low situated right overhead. The timing with this over the weekend on the GFS is quicker. The GFS, this is Saturday afternoon. It brings rain in Saturday, and then continues to have some shower chances into Sunday. Notice the low-pressure placement here on the 0Z run of the GFS, further to the north. And then you see Sunday lingering into Monday, the chance for some light precipitation, but the system's largely gone by then. Now, on the European model, this is Sunday. The low is further to the south, so the snow footprint's further to the south as well. That's Sunday afternoon. And then this is Monday morning, Monday afternoon. Interesting setup. This probably, for most of North Carolina, stays rain, but it'll be close if the European is corrected, especially in the northern tier of the state. And I definitely like the odds of the mountains getting some snow out of this by Sunday and Monday. We'll just have to see how the details play out. A lot of uncertainty with that one. And then looking down the road a little bit, this is the European ensemble mean, the 5,000 foot temperature deviation from normal. This is out at next Tuesday. That is a cold pattern over the southeast. And then this is out at Thursday, the 15th, next Thursday. Man, that's cold. That's a cold setup. If you've been watching my videos for a while, I've been saying the pattern would flip to a colder one for March, and that's definitely the case, at least for the first 16, 17 days of the month. We'll see. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.